Hey, what's up guys? It is the Lightning Boss here, and we are playing Occupation today. This is my new channel, I hope y'all like. Alright, well, this game is called Occupation. It's, FPS game. First person, you see? Well, yeah, it's FPS, and it's a shooting game. It's pretty fun. I don't know if any of y'all have played this before, and this is not the mode we are going to be playing in. We are going to be playing in the campaign mode. So let's get there. Let's load the new game, Invasion. I guess. So let's let this load for a second. Should be done. Load. It's been at 89% for like 10 seconds. Shouldn't do that. Hurry up. It is taking forever. I said hurry up. Boy. There you go.
See you later.
Why so awkward? Boy. Chase after her. Hey. Come back.
Hello.
Hey, come back. You just disappeared. What in the world? It says, move to your home using the beta navigation route. Alright, I'm heading home. This will take a while, so I will come back when I get there. Alright guys, we're back. And my destination is right over there. Let's just walk over there. And change my map point of view. Let's go. About to get there. Alright. And this is what happens. They're coming. Bring a shotgun out of your home. Okay. So, zombies or clowns? Zombies, alright. Alright. Need to kill them. Don't attack citizens. My objective, it says don't allow zombies to kill people. Defend the people. Something like that. I didn't get to read it all. Maybe y'all can pause the video and read that if y'all want. Hey, don't chase people. There you go. There's one right behind us. So, nope, I already said no. Who just shot? Hey, you just attacked me? Back away. Yeah. Alright, nice. I got 5 health. Got back what I was taking away. Oh, there's people helping me now? Hey, what's up, man? They're helping me? No? Alright, I see how it is. They're not helping me either? Fine. I get it. Who's down? Where? Man, there's zombies everywhere. Oh, quest complete. Alright, I have 595 bucks. Nice. Alright, so let's head back to the next quest. All the way back there. Hopefully nobody dies in the time I try to get there. Let's see what this has for us. Wow. That's gonna be hard to attack. Alright. Let's go. Y'all helping me? Y'all with me?
Hello.
Alright, good. Let's go. What are these, boss? Yep. I got ammo. Oh, who shot me? Boy, I'll attack you. Alright, what is this? Defend your home and your neighbors. They spelled neighbors wrong. Shaking my head. Whatever. They can say it however they want. Freedom of speech, I guess. Wow. You just killed me. Wow. What a waste. Alright, at least I got to the second objective. Alright, let's try that one again. Load. Oh. Noise is so weird. Alright, let's let this load. Alright guys, I'm back after a while of waiting. My game finally loaded. It says defend your home and your neighbors. Guys, let me see. I just didn't hear that I'm going to get in. Perfect. Down here. Or we could just take over. There will be fun to us. Hopefully. Alright, come on guys. Come on, alright. Let's go. Hey, on the back over here. Alright, I got that. Alright, I'll go. That's all the okay, yeah, I need backup. Y'all gonna need some backup. Oh man, no, it's bad, it's bad. I think both of them are going down. Oh, behind me, next to you. Kill him. Oh, that's better. No, he's dead. Alright, I guess I got to keep these things. Ooh, I got an AK. Nice. Wait, no, I didn't get the gun. Hey, get out the gun. I didn't get the gun? No, I just got the clip. Man, AK costs like $900. I don't want to buy that. Alright, come on, my man. Right over here. Straightforward. Let me see. Alright, I'm going to the next checkpoint. Just stay here. Defend. Defend the village. They need it. Alright, let's go. I need to get there. Move it. I like to move it. Let's go. Get out of my way. That's all to be. Like y'all were before. Alright. This is gonna try to help them out. All of them. No, I'm out of bullets. Alright, I'm running now. Ooh. Oh, you thought. Ooh, you thought. Oh, that's nice. Alright, let's go. Now what do I do? Turn objective. I think I have to kill him. What happened to the guy I had contact with? I think he's in trouble. Oh, dude. I had you contacted. Come over here. Kill him. I ran out of bullets. I got your flashlight. Who are you shooting at? Oh, I think you're gonna need some backup. So I'm gonna go buy bullets. Hey, you thought. Alright, if you die, just I never recruited you. Alright, I want my 500 bucks back. Because I'm pretty sure that's how much it costed. Hey, what's up, my man? I need to buy bullets. And hurry up, buy bullets. Alright, perfect. Thank you. Alright. Before live, where's he at then? Rifle. Don't shoot me. Okay. We have it, a little bit more. Alright guys, that was it for today's video. I hope y'all like it. Please subscribe and peace out.